short if all our time is limited. You take for granted, I'm just grateful to be given it. Live fast, die young, we're just in a kid. Till this life is done, I'll just be happy to be living it. I mean, I take it slow, so we can soak it in. Cause when I reach that door, I know we'll be opening. Then we going in, confidence my only friend. If you think I'm rushing, then you really just don't know me then. Speaking of rushing, no, I wanna slow it down. I live up in the moment, so emboldened by the sound of people talking nothing. I'm walking in the one stay chillin', looking for something I can use to kill discussion. Talking about this and them, gossip never listening. My life is a melody, I block out all the dissonance. Cause money's certain to equal time, so when life is going fast, I vertical equal sign. Pause.
If I could slow down time, this life won't pass me by. If I could click rewind, I know I'd be just right. My love, please believe me, hit delay and take it easy. I know I need to just slow down, slow down.
My whole life's just been a couple minutes, years gone in a second, then an hour it is finished. Doing what I can, trying to stop the world from spinning. Just because you finish first doesn't always mean you winning. I look around and I'm slipping in like banana pills, wanna get some nothing, so I jump up off the hamster wheel. Got a plan to chill, yeah.